Hey chickies, here again with another nail art. Now this one I really hope you like, but just a warning, it is a nail art that's best viewed from about an arm's length distance. I really hope you like it. It's super easy. Let's get into it. For this one I started off with a white base, 2 coats of your favourite white polish, and then for the background colours we're coming in with just 2 basic shades, a light blue that has a slight shift of glitter to it, or a shimmer, and then we're coming in with what looks like a pink, but it's actually more of a mauvey sort of lavender. And then we're just doing stripes, really quick and easy ones. I'm not trying to be precise about it, and I think for this particular nail art it looks better if it's not precise. Although you can, if you're that kind of person, you can totally do it really super duper precise. It's up to you. I'm doing this on the 2 middle nails, but if you really like it and you want to do it on all of your nails, then by all means go ahead. To do the fuzzy chevron design, I'm using black acrylic craft paint and a fine detail brush, and this could not be easier. You can even, now I was regretting it afterwards, but you can actually use a really good quality permanent marker to do this, but for this one I forgot that I had the marker. I do actually have a really good quality marker, and I'm going to be doing some designs with that later on in another nail art video. But for the meantime, I forgot that I had it, which I was really regretting because I think it would have looked better with the marker. But anyway, if you don't have a marker and you just have some acrylic craft paint lying around the house, you can use that with a fine detail brush, and it's basically you're just basically doing tiny little tiny little black lines in kind of a chevron design. And yes, as I said, it doesn't look great close up, but from an arm's length away it looks amazing. You've done your chevron design and you're happy with it, or moderately happy with it, you can go ahead and do some cleanup. For those of you who don't enjoy this process, please skip ahead now. For those of you who do, enjoy. That's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. I do apologize, I neglected. I thought I had filmed the putting of the top coat over the top, but completely, I don't know where that footage went. It disappeared. It was like someone came and stole it off my camera, but I really apologize for that. Normally I would show you that process, but as you can see, nothing bad happened when I did do the top coat. So anyway, I really hope you like this one. I hope you give it a go, and remember, always view it from an arm's length. It'll look better that way. All right, I'm going now. Bye.